Hi and welcome to Add More Zest. Happy Fansells Friday, everybody. I have a diamond painting and a couple of off the canvas items to share with you today that I thought were pretty funky. So we'll start with this one that's sort of half there for you to see already. I'm trying to work out, it has got tape on it, and of course I don't have a knife in here, but I do have some scissors. I have a few different pairs of scissors depending on which side I want to grab it from. I also have my cardigan attached to my watch strap. Lovely. Okay, going for the bottom. So this one is all self-contained, and if I can get in it, seriously, if I can get in it. There we go. This is a cute little set that contains blingle bands. So diamond painting bracelets that you can do on the go. So no glue or mess, just diamond paint and stick. There is 30 different unique brands to make and collect, it says. So let's have a look at the bits that we do get in here. So we do get some instructions. Here are the little bracelet bands. So they're not adult size. Just checking, just in case. These are for little ones to create, but there are 5 different bracelet bands in here. There is one that just has blank symbols for you to decide what you want to do, and then we have other ones with symbols and things on to make patterns. And then once you have made them or have stuck your diamonds on them, you then also get beads and twine to then add the little diamonds and string to tie them together to put them on your wrist. So you have little sections that you can use. Oh, they're even gridded. It's like little different diamond painting trays. They've all got the little grooves for the diamonds to go straight when you shake it. You've got a place. No, it doesn't hold your wax. I thought it might do. Will it hold your wax if it's not in the pot? It does, by the looks of it. Yes, so your wax can sit in there when it's not in the pot. It will sit in there. The pot can help it not dry out. Then you do get a diamond painting pen to go with. Say you get your little diamond, little beads for the end, your nice brightly coloured twine for going on the end of each. I am trying to get these back in without wrapping them all back up in a bag because I think it's easier. You do have a little symbol list that tells you what symbol is what colour. You do get a little set of baggies for bagging up your diamonds, and you get like these plasticky O-ring things as well to help your diamond, your bracelet go back together. You also get a threader, more than a needle, it's a threader, to help you thread them through to make your bracelet. But you do get full instructions. It does give you a little template with letters for that blank one if you want to be able to create your name or something like that. But there is full-on instructions in there on how you can make each of your little diamond dot bracelets and then tie some thread round and some beads round before you either wear them or give them to a friend. Gorgeous colours though. Oh, we've got AB as well. So we've got a beautiful mint green, yellow, pale blue, pale pink, peach, and a purple AB. A lilac purple AB. So that is a really nice, cute little set that could do for a small person in your life. You do have a tray as well I know I've not got the instructions in it, but I thought I'm not pushing it, trying to get the instructions to fit back in there, if they did come out of there. So that is item number 1. It does say for ages 6 and above. It won't fit us adults, unfortunately, but I do think that's a fun little gift. Off the canvas item number 2, I couldn't resist, is this sign. Sorry, we're closed. Now I have the shop building. I wasn't sure whether to, in fact I think I'm going to do this one, and maybe hang it up in the window. They do have a we're open as well, but because we don't have customers coming to our office because we're all based online, I kind of thought that was cute to put up, maybe keep the family away, let them leave me be while I'm working. And it's been a while since I've done an off the canvas item, so you do get some string for popping through these holes once you're done. Looks, oh, a little bit of a divot, and then we have what looks like a dark brown that we actually use for the word closed. It's a dark brown colour, black for the rest of the words and some of this lettering, quite a lot of silver. The background is all the silver or the clear, and then we have some clear leaf shaped ones for going in with this. So it's quite muted, but I like it. So I will be doing this project at some point, just so that I can pop it up in our new admin desk space. Because as I say, because I can. So I'm going to. So I thought if I like it, you guys might like it. If any of you work from home or work in a shop, I say they do an open one as well. There's also a couple of other different signs, which can be a bit fun. Maybe use it for your kitchen. Sorry, we're closed in the kitchen. It's always good. So yeah, so they are the 2 off the canvas. Then I did also get a diamond painting, though this is 40 by 20. It is a special diamond painting. I don't think this one will take long at all. But this one is to welcome in the month of January. You could use this for multiple different things. The actual design area within this grid, ignoring the outside part, is 35 by 15-ish. And you do only diamond paint this area. So that's only like 9 centimetres within the outside perimeter. But they do all the different months in this. So if you wanted something that was uniform, if you found or created a mount that would go around this outside part and popped into a frame, you could change it out every single month. Give yourself, you know, a little bit of a visual interest of something that changes each month, and they don't take too long to do, so they're pretty fun. It has 9 different colours. 3 of those look to be different shapes. So let's have a look at the colouring for January. You do get a toolkit with a boat wax pen, but we have, oh, they are pretty ones. There's still the clear ones, the clear silver ones, but they have quite a nice, they actually may have like a bit more of an AB kind of look to them. They definitely seem to shine a little bit different than, in fact, these are in the bag, but can you see how they shine different to those underneath? They have some sort of more of a rainbow reflection in them. They're really pretty. Then we have a couple of different shades of blue. In fact, they must be a different one, because then we do have your normal silver ones. They're really pretty, like rainbow silver. Then we have some orange. We have some slightly larger blue dots, very pale blue, but very nice. Then we have some, again, silver, but with that hint of rainbow in like a petal shape. Then we have some blue, in a petal shape, and then we have some teardrops in like a pearlized blue. It's still got sort of an AB look, but I'd say they're a little bit more pearly than the normal AB coating you find on diamonds. So very, very pretty colours. I love those diamonds in that one. So yeah, that's a painting for January. And as I say, there's quite a few different months, so if it is something that you want to do each month and display in your home, that's always an option. So I'll pop the link down below to each of these, but thank you so much to Fansells for sending me these to share with you all, and I'll speak to you all again soon.